Hi, I'm Ethan. Let's solve this question, string compression. It's a good example to utilize the two pointer, so I will use write and read as two pointer, and read is the one goes quicker, and write is only when read is reading another symbol, another characters. At that time, write will move, and I will change the charts correspondingly. To just make the course easier, I will add a dummy space in the whole charts. So I don't need to decide again in the end. Let's do it. So as I say, a dummy space. So I will have a count. So this is how many words we are using. And this is the write, also 0. Read in range, length charts. If charts read was equal to charts write, in this case, the count is +1. Otherwise, if the count is larger than 1, we want to write how many times it happens. So I will make the count as a string, since it could be larger than 9. So write was +1 charts write equal to that character, and the write is gonna +1 charts write should be charts read count 1. Turn the right. So do the time complexity analysis is also easy. Even though it seems like we have two for course for loop here and for loop here. Actually, it's just on, because if we look at the movement of the write or the read, it just only go from the first item to the last item. For the write index, it's possible it didn't go to n. So the time complexity is actually just on. For the space complexity, because we only use count and write, so it's just O1 time complexity, because we reuse the charts. Thanks for watching.